Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to our today's GK class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My dear students, before starting our today's class, all of you please watch it. Students, do you like games? Which game do you like? I like cricket. I am the fan of MS Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, commonly known as MS Dhoni, is a most popular Indian cricketer. He was born on 7th July 1981 in Ranchi, Jharkhand. He was an excellent right-handed batsman and also plays the role of a wicket keeper. As a profession, he worked as a ticket examiner in the Railways Department. Dhoni joined international cricket team in 2004. Do you know who is this? This is Sonal Mansingh. Sonal Mansingh is a dancer of Odissi, a classical Indian dance form that originated in Orissa and other Indian classical forms. Apart from being a dancer, she was also a teacher, researcher, and choreographer. So, Sonal Mansingh is a dancer. Look here. Here we can see Asha Bhosle. Asha Bhosle is an Indian playback singer and she is the best known for her playback singing in Hindi cinema. She has done playback singing for over 1,000 Bollywood movies. So, Asha Bhosle is a singer. This is Rabindranath Tagore. He was a poet, philosopher, and artist. He wrote many stories, novels, poems, and dramas. He was a leader of Brahma Samaj. So, Rabindranath Tagore was a poet. Students, look here. Do you know who is this? Yes, Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is a Bollywood actor. In 1980s, Bachchan held a seat in the Indian Parliament. He returned to acting in 1997. So, Amitabh Bachchan is an actor. Don't you know who is this? Don't worry, I will tell. This is C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was a scientist. He was the first person to receive a Nobel Prize from Asian country. So, C.V. Raman was a scientist. Okay. Hey, look here. This is our Saint Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a Roman Catholic nun who devoted her life to serving the poor around the world. So, don't forget it. Mother Teresa was a social worker. Okay? This is our national flag. National flag of India is a horizontal tricolor of deep saffron at the top, white in the middle, and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. So, this is our national flag. Okay? My dear students, do you remember Jana Gana Mana? Yes? Very good. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. It was officially adopted as the Indian national anthem on January 24, 1950. So, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Okay? My dear students, do you remember Jana Gana Mana? Yes? Very good. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. It was officially adopted as the Indian national anthem on January 24, 1950. So, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Okay? Students, look here. What a beautiful flower. What's the color of it? Rose color. Very good. And tell me, which is the flower is this? Is lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. Okay? Children, do you know about this picture? This is the picture of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. It is located in New Delhi. So, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is in New Delhi. Don't forget it. Okay? Now look here. This is peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is a colorful swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers, a white patch under the eye, and a long slender neck. So, this is peacock. The national bird of India is the peacock. Okay? Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is the picture of tiger. As a symbol of our national wealth, tigers were declared the national animal of India. So please listen. The national animal of India is the tiger. Students, look here. What is this? Is mango. What's the color of it? Is yellow color. Then tell me, what's the spelling of mango? Yes, very good. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Now tell me, do you know which is the national fruit of India? I will tell. The national fruit of India is the mango. Isn't it? Yes. So, the national fruit of India is the mango. Okay? Don't forget it. Okay? Look here. Father of India, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, fondly called as Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi, fondly called as Bapu. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a great freedom fighter. Now, my dear students, all of you please take your GK text and take the page number 15. Here we are going to learn about famous Indians. What is famous Indians? Now tell me, who is this famous sports person? Is MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni is a most popular Indian cricketer. So our first question, who is this famous sports person? MS Dhoni. What's the spelling? MS Dhoni. D-H-O-N-I. So you have to write here H and write here N. MS Dhoni. Okay, then what is the next? Match the persons with their profession. What is profession? Profession is occupation. Now listen, who is the first one? Sonal Mansingh. Sonal Mansingh is a dancer of Odissi. So, Sonal Mansingh is a dancer. So, you have to draw a line from Sonal Mansingh to dancer. Okay? Then next, who's this? Asha Bhosle. Asha Bhosle is an Indian playback singer. Asha Bhosle is a singer. So you have to draw a line from Asha Bhosle to singer. Then Rabindranath Tagore. Tagore was a poet. Then Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is a Bollywood actor. So, you have to draw a line from Amitabh Bachchan to actor. Then C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was a scientist. So, you have to draw a line from C.V. Raman to scientist. Then Saint Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a Roman Catholic nun who devoted her life to serving the poor around the world. So, Mother Teresa was a social worker. So, you have to draw a line from Mother Teresa to social worker. Okay? Now, my dear students, all of you please listen once again. Who is this famous sports person? MS Dhoni. Then, match the persons with their profession. Sonal Mansinghh, dancer. Asha Bhosle, singer. Then, Amitabh Bachchan, actor. C.V. Raman, scientist. Mother Teresa, social worker. Like this, you have to complete this work. Okay? Now, my dear students, all of you please take your next page, page number 16. All of you please listen. The India Quiz. Here, we are going to learn some facts about India. Now, please listen. Tick the correct answers. First one, the Indian flag is known as the, which is tricolor or Ashok Chakra. Which is the correct answer? Is tricolor. The Indian flag is known as the tricolor. Okay? Then, our national anthem is, which is the correct answer? Vande Mataram or Jana Gana Mana. All of you say which is the correct answer? Yes, Jana Gana Mana. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Then third question. Our national flower is the lotus or rose? Which is, yes, lotus. Our national flower is the lotus. Then, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is in New Delhi. Okay, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is in New Delhi. Then, the national bird of India is the swan or peacock. Which is the correct answer? Peacock. The national bird of India is the peacock. Then, the national animal of India is the tiger or lion. In this, correct answer is tiger. The national animal of India is the tiger. Then, the national fruit of India is the mango or banana. Correct answer, mango. The national fruit of India is the mango. Okay, then, what is the name by which Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is fondly called? Answer, Bapu. B-A-P-U. Bapu. So you have to write here Bapu. Okay. So, all of you please listen once again. The Indian flag is known as the tricolor. So, you have to tick here. Then, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. So, you have to tick here. Then, our national flower is the lotus. So, you have to tick here. Then, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is in New Delhi. You have to tick here. Then, the national bird of India is the peacock. Tick here. Then, the national animal of India is the tiger. So, tick here. Then, the national fruit of India is the mango. So, tick here. Okay. Like this, you have to complete this work. Okay. I hope everyone understood our today's class very well. Now all of you please do your activities very well and send to me. If you have any doubt, please ask to me. Okay? Now we go to wind up our today's class. We will meet again on next GK class. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.